Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the polychromated video effect in CapCut PC. You can find the polychromated and here, or you select star, and here's polychromatic 2. Super simple. You can import your videos or picture library. Just add the effect and go to effect, add polychromatic 2. You can explore the channel. You can combine with other effect and add transition, filters, animation, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.